Hello my good people, welcome back to this amazing channel. My good name's always Kibe. It's another wonderful day and we just wake up in a healthy way. Thank you God for waking up me in a good health. Thank you very much. It's another beautiful day and we were just waking up very early. I was just going back to my phone because I left it inside. It was just charging. Yes, and we already start the work here at my brother construction area, Fathelatv daily, guys. And as you can see, this here I am from my home. That's my gate, so and this is our modern wall. I'm just heading to Fathelatv daily to continue with the work. And as you can see outside here, we have not levelized this place because we were just removing we were just removing the trees that were just remaining here, and some small roots like this one, some inside roots. Yeah, and I see Chakala on the move.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Just wake up good?
Yes, we have just woken up good, we thank God. And we are just here working out.
Yes.
Today we're dealing with the side that this soil to be on the level side, so that it can look neat at least.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm Chakala on the move. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and leave a positive comment. Thank you for hosting me.
Okay, continue working, Chakala. Let me go inside. Even me today, I'm just working.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, and maybe if this is your first time watching this video, my good name is always Kibe. Continue subscribing and continue watching the video, even the previous video, guys. Your support is highly appreciated. Without you, I cannot make this video. Because of your support, I make this amazing video to you so that you can enjoy. Even me, I can enjoy for you by commenting. And we are at the gate, just entering inside. Yeah, guys, and the work of today, we are just taking the moram from the septic tank behind at the back of the house, of the dream house, to here at the front. This is the work that we are going to do today, and other mason they'll come to continue with the plaster, but for now we want just to take the moram to here at the front of the house so that we can backfill and levelize this place. Guys, continue watching this video until the end of the video. Your support is highly appreciated. Leave a sweet comment there. Yeah, leave a sweet comment, guys. You know, without that we cannot make this video, but because of your support, that's why, guys. Thank you very much. Continue watching the vlog until the end of the video. Hujapata jembe?
You go now. Aya bas.
Toka basi apite hapo.
Fathelatv sound.
Before I close my eyes, baby wanna sing for you. Do you know I want try if you love my vibe?
Tungeleta hapa.
I do for you. Do you know my time?
Goja.
Feel my dream come true. When I see you no fight, everything is alright. That's why I call you my room. Love you give me, I never sing before. I wish can be the case. You be mommy, I've been daddy. No matter we don't have the cash. I'm tired to live alone. Please, baby, come closer, me and more. When you miss me, call my phone. You wanna shake it, baby, like a Ronaldo. Do you know your designer? I go be your refiner. Baby, wait for your love reply. Can be retire, but I'm in love. Inauma, chihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Inauma, ukihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Inauma, ukihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Inauma, ukihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Unanifanya na ringa na vimba sina unyama. Oh na na sinanga ndinga kuringa lakini tunaendana. Oh na you wanna bring it back and I make you feel it ma. I don't wanna make you bad, that's why I met your dad. I want to fish, make you familiar. You wanna kiss me, go Trinidad. Bring my love one more night. Anything you want, I go bring, madam. Your love for me, give more life. Inauma, chihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Inauma, ukihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Inauma, ukihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Inauma, ukihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Inauma, chihuanauma. Fitina na maringo vingi ya unaga. Ya unaga. Mayuna again.
Aya bas.
Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Baby, I want to be with you tonight.
Fathelatv sound.
Anytime I see you, girl, you give me good time. When I don't see you, girl, my heart breaks sometimes. Do you know I love you? I want you. Do you know I love you? I want you. My heart take over, sweetie baby. You are my superman. Come over, party baby.
We party.
Welcome China.
We party. We party.
Welcome China. Love me, my woman. Love me, my woman. Love me, my woman. Love me, my woman. Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Vacation twende Dubai, upige mapicha. Tú eres mi señorita, comprarte una rosa. Squeeze na vimba kita, bila wezi ringa. Hata kama sinanga ndinga, na wewe unaridhikaga. My heart take over, sweetie baby. You are my superman, come over, party baby.
We party.
Welcome China.
We party.
Mayun again.
Ayabas.
Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Baby, I want to be with you tonight.
Fathelatv, Allegiant Sound.
Anytime I see you, girl, you give me good time, good time. When I don't see you, girl, my heart breaks sometimes, sometimes. Do you know I love you? I want you. Do you know I love you? I want you. My heart take over, sweetie baby. You are my superman. Come over, party, lele.
Wapate, wapate, wapate.
I come China.
Wapate, wapate, wapate.
I come China. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman.
Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Baby, I want to be with you tonight.
Vacation twende Dubai, upige mapicha picha. Tú eres mi señorita, comprarte una rosa. Squeeze na vimakita, bila wezi wezi ringa. Hata kama sinanga ndinga, na wewe unaridhikaga. My heart take over, sweetie baby. You are my superman. Come over, party, lele.
Wapate, wapate, wapate.
I come China.
Wapate, wapate, wapate.
I come China. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman.
Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Baby, I want to be with you tonight. My heart take over, sweetie baby. You are my superman. Come over, party, baby.
Allegiant Sound.
Mayun again.
Ayabas.
Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Baby, I want to be with you tonight.
Fathelatv, Allegiant Sound.
Anytime I see you, girl, you give me good time, good time. When I don't see you, girl, my heart breaks sometimes, sometimes. Do you know I love you? I want you. Do you know I love you? I want you. My heart take over, sweetie baby. You are my superman. Come over, party, lele.
Wapate, wapate, wapate.
I come China.
Wapate, wapate, wapate.
I come China. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman. Love me, my woman, my woman.
Baby, I want to be with you tonight. Baby, I want to be with you tonight.
Vacation twende Dubai, upige mapicha picha. Tú eres mi señorita, comprarte una rosa. Squeeze na vimakita, bila wezi ringa. Hata kama sinanga ndinga, na wewe unaridhikaga. My heart take over, sweetie baby. You are my superman. Come over, party, lele.
wapate, wapate, we wapate, wapate,
Welcome China.
wapate, wapate, we wapate, wapate.
Welcome.
Yeah, guys. And my cameraman was.
Yeah, okay, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel.
Maybe you can come this way.
And always keep
Yes, always keep it.
share the channel, like, subscribe, guys. And remember to come back after this video. Check my channel, subscribe there, guys, and like, share the link, and possible always.
Yes.
The support is really appreciated, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Guys, we were just taking the material of this is the chart. I think they have written in Arab, so that yeah, they have written in Arabs. But as you can see here, the only English word that you see is skimming. Yes, and maybe you can see the use of this one for the use on sand and cement, render or cast concentrated surface, low shrinkage, ready to use and easy to apply for a smooth crack free finish.
Sisi hapa si pumura.
Funguka kwa kamera, you don't work and you want to drink my. No, I said no.
Haki mngona sipigi mingi bodeng. Hata wazungu watashangaa na tunyima busara.
Guys, we were just putting the materials from Migori where Fathelatv was going to buy these ones. This is the board that we will be putting like a ceiling board. So they are using this modern board to put in the house. Hey guys, my camera have a problem, so I must use this one at least to make it look good. Yeah, now it can be seen clearly because I'm using a phone, a very old phone, but I'm using it. So we were just putting this inside, and this is a blue. These nails here is a blue initials, and here we have the I think metal corner tape. We call it metal corner tape. Yeah. So these are the materials that it will be used as a ceiling board inside. So the tuk-tuk is lifting. Let me drink this small African we call it African juice so that it can cool my throat. Yeah guys, and if maybe this is your first time watching this, my good name is always Kibe. Guys, continue watching the vlog until the end. If you haven't subscribed to this amazing YouTube channel, you can continue by subscribing, share, like and comment. We are just here at my brother's compound for the Fathelatv daily, just working, and other side there, they are still plastering the main sitting room. Yeah guys, continue watching the vlog until the end of the video. Your support is highly appreciated, guys. Thank you very much. Continue watching the video until the end. Yes, my good people, welcome back to this amazing channel. Yes, I'm just at my home, and those are our dogs, our security. That's our security of the night. Guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. Let me make this my phone. You know, this is my phone. I must make it. I must set it. Yeah guys, we are just at the site at my home. Yes guys, and this is the work that we have been doing. I was just taking water inside from the borehole at around our neighbors to the construction area. That's the work that I have been doing, me and one of my guys. We were just that we were just working there to bring the water to the site. And today the work, was the work other guys that they were just doing outside the compound. I'm sorry guys, outside the road. See, this is the road. That's our perimeter wall, and they were just making this place backfilling the other places and make sure this place is equal and levelizing, guys. And inside here at Fathelatv's construction area, they were just plastering the house and bringing the moram from the septic tank to the compound, to the compound, so that they can backfill it and levelize this place all over here, guys. Yeah, this is the work that we have been doing and other guys they have been doing. And plasters people, plasters, mason, they are still here working. Yeah guys, as you can see, they were just plastering.
Kufanya kusengenya. Mtu wa mkono.
Yeah, ni kwaga mtu wa handman.
Oh, you are once a handman.
Handman for Mushi. I'm for handman for mwaka mmoja.
1 year.
Yeah, Mushi amenikabidhi vifaa
for ufundi.
Yeah.
Ujenzi sasa. Okay.
From Mushi.
Okay, so Kito used to be a handman.
Yeah.
Like Kibe is a handman.
Yes, I'm a handman. I can't refuse.
Me too, I'm a handman, by the way. He learned from handman, he became a top mason.
Top mason.
As you can see the work now.
Now look at the work that he's doing.
Very perfect. Yes.
So even you Kibe, you will one day become a top mason.
I think I will not, because I will be a boss.
Yes.
But in Tanzania, what I know in Tanzania, for me, the education is not the key in Tanzania. It's not good. Yes, because no, it's not the key. It's good, but it's not the key. They take the education as just a place.
Oh.
Yes. Because even you can try to see the education in Tanzania is too low. But what they are doing the best, more than the Kenyan what they are doing. Like
mostly this ufundi.
Yes, this construction around here. They are the best, more than our masons in Kenya. They are doing the perfect job, even building a lot of things. Yes, so they know business and they know how to work. Yes, they cannot just think that education is everything for them. Yes. But in Kenya, education is everything. Like this one is education. No education, no English.
To be honest, this one is education. No education,
no work. So, what in Kenya we know, education is important thing. Yes, but in Tanzania it's different. Yes, that's why we are in front of them. That's why we have more need to employ them.
Okay.
Yes, and that's a good thing. Yes.
You know, the good thing is that we are one people.
Yes, we are one people.
Just borders that were created by some people back then. Of which that topic I just don't want to discuss right now. But imagine Africa without
borders.
You can do magic.
Yes, you can do magic.
One strong Africa.
Yes.
If there is something if I have to change about Africa, is first leadership.
Yes, you see,
even
the West Africans, they're changing with the power. Yes.
What I can change about Africa is leadership.
Leadership.
If you change leadership, the mentality of African leaders, if you change that,
Even with borders.
Africa will be like Europe, more than
Yes.
Europe, because Africa is the richest continent.
Of course.
We will do wonders. Anyway, guys, this is
Always Kibe.
Always Kibe.
Take me out on my YouTube channel. No, we were just bringing water here from the borehole outside our neighbors.
Yes.
That's why I was not here, but we have already finished bringing water for today. Maybe tomorrow we will be here continue with bringing water, because this work that they have been doing here, they need a lot of water for curing them.
Exactly.
Morning and evening. Yes.
Guys, you see this one. I need a lot of water.
A lot of water for curing. Even at the yesterday where at the bedroom, we need to cure the wall now. Yes. So guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show love by watching the videos and leave a sweet comment that I am from Kengor, and a lot of comments. Guys, I will appreciate your support. It's highly appreciated. Without you, we cannot do this. Thank you very much, Kengor, for hosting me on your channel. It's one love, and here I was just recording. Maybe you can just say hi to my people.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, what's up, beautiful people? How are you doing? Welcome back again to Kibe's channel. Always Kibe.
Always Kibe.
We are here and we are almost ending the day.
Yes.
We are just amazed and just watching how these top masons from Tanzania work.
Yes.
They do a clear work.
A clear work.
We can't deny, very clear.
Even me, if I will start my construction,
Yes,
I'll call
you
them.
will call them,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
They do an amazing work.
Yes. And they cannot complain about time. That's
Exactly.
what I know. But if it was Kenyans,
Uh-huh.
they were just complaining about time, even food,
Yes.
a lot of things.
Yes.
But for now, you see, they're just quiet, doing their work perfectly.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the work that is going on. It's called plastering.
Plastering. Yes. You can see it's almost 5, and then they are not complaining. Yes. But if it was Kenyans,
Also, you know, this was like contract.
even if it's a contract, you see they're making a smart work. You know, some guys when they take a contract, they just complain about money, but they do not say "It's because of time. I don't know, a lot of things.
Yes.
But this, they are quiet, working.
That's their work.
Even they are doing something perfect. If it's others or Kenyans, they were just putting some mini cornering.
Cornering.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, they're still working on plastering the house, and other side here they were just taking the moram from the septic tank to in front of the house so that they can fill it and levelize that on that side, so it can be good. Yeah, they were just taking the moram from this side. Yeah. What was Eric? Yes. Why are you running? Why are you running from my camera?
I'm not running from your camera. I'm showing people here.
You are showing them around?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Maybe you can just say hi to my good people.
Hi guys, I'm always Eric, and I'm a YouTuber and a content creator too. So you can go there, search my channel as always Eric. We share name, but the only difference is Kibe and Eric.
Yes.
So guys, kindly go there, subscribe to my channel also. Road to success. And we are here today. Today there was not much work here.
Yes.
Because it was only plastering and
removing the moram.
the moram from here to the front side. The
Yes.
reason as to why they remove the moram from here to the front side, maybe once level that front
Yeah.
side to
Yes.
beautify the compound.
Yeah.
So guys, that was the main work. So tomorrow I think it will only be plastering. I don't know if there will be another job.
We are not sure. Yes,
But we are not sure. Let's wait tomorrow and
yes,
see.
because since we start this site,
Yes.
every morning with its plan. You cannot plan at the evening. Yes, but because maybe tomorrow morning you'll have another plan. We can hear
But
we are moving this.
Since I saw the boards for ceiling,
Yes.
I don't know if they will start
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
No. They cannot start more
Why?
because after that they must put some maybe chalk. Yes, maybe that is the
Oh,
one.
they will choke.
Yeah, they will put skimming. We call it skimming.
Oh yeah, yes.
Yeah, maybe skimming, but not board.
But I think Fadela wanted to finish the bedroom
Yes.
so that he will be using it
For now.
while the other house is being built slowly.
Oh,
So his idea was to finish the bedroom,
yes.
make it like complete. You
Completely.
see these blocks that came today.
Yes.
They
They were supposed to be
used
covering
them.
that place.
Yeah, so that he'll use the bedroom. Meanwhile, the house is being completed.
Oh,
Yeah, so I think, and the reason you see they plastered that side of the wall,
yes.
this side and that side.
Yes.
That side he told them to start with that side
With
because
the main bedroom.
yes, in the sitting room.
Oh,
You
the-
saw they have plastered this side and that
Yes.
side. So the reason that's why they plastered that side
Eh.
is because Fadela didn't want maybe when they are putting ceiling, you
Yes.
plaster and that cement go on the
Oh
other
God.
side.
Yes, that's true.
So he told them to start. So
Mm.
that's why I think that room will be run very fast.
Oh, so that you can go there
Be-
at
be-
the time.
before this end of January, maybe
January.
in the middle here,
Yes,
the
yes.
15 will finish that room because this house is very big. If he says that he want to finish all the house to move,
It will
in,
take time.
It will take time.
Yeah, let's pray for him so that the house can go quickly and easy. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Always, Eric.
I was also
Oh,
filming. You can
recording.
maybe produce, yes.
Guys, my good name is always Kibe. You can check me out on my YouTube channel. Show me love by subscribing and watching the video. Even you can continue supporting my brother always Eric. He's a good man. As you see, we start the the YouTube at the same day, but no, you start early, but
We resume when I resumed
Yes.
and when we were starting.
yes, and that's you see our things are going in a good way. Yes, and we thank you guys very much. Your support is highly appreciated because if it's not you, we are not supposed to be here. Because of your love, we are here and we will continue to be here to make sure even you will feel love that you are giving us. Thank you very much, always Eric, posting me on your channel. Let me continue showing them around.
Okay, let me go this way.
Okay. Guys, I think I'm going to end this video here because I think it's the end of the video, guys, and thank you very much for watching the video until here. And they say they are measuring, they want to put the mirror of the window. Yeah. Yes, Chonjo. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video until here. Your support is highly appreciated. Let's meet tomorrow, guys. I love you all because of your support. I know even you love me by watching this video and leaving a sweet comment. Thank you very much for your time by watching this video. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you much.